Time for the final round of the KTHI High School Challenge, and this round involves some strategy. The teams have been given the option of choosing 15 or 30-point questions, level 1 or level 2 questions. Each team has chosen the level 1 questions, the 15-point questions, and each team will have a certain amount of time to answer as many correctly as they can. We'll get to that in just a moment, but first, we're going to introduce some substitutions for the Devil's Lake team. Right to my right, it's Michael Sherrick. He is a sophomore. And then on the other end, it's Brock Enert. He is a junior. Now, you've picked level 1 questions. Each correct answer is worth 15 points, and you have 2 minutes to answer as many of these correctly as you can. If you pass, we don't go back. Your time begins now. Name the Spanish conquistador who conquered the Aztec Empire.
Cortez.
That's correct. Which word that begins with the letter F refers to the point around which a lever turns?
Fulcrum.
Fulcrum is right. In miles per second, what is the speed of light?
300,000.
Incorrect. Which banks receive deposits from the U.S. Treasury?
Banks affiliated with the FDIC.
Incorrect. Solve the following equation for x. 5/6 equals x minus 1/6.
X equals 1.
X equals 1 is right. Which group of arthropods have 6 legs?
Insects.
Insects is right. What is the scientific name of the North Star?
Polaris.
Polaris is right. What is the name of the author who wrote the following line? My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still.
Pass.
Find the square root of 961.
Pass.
Name the Prime Minister of Great Britain who said to his people in 1940 that I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat.
Churchill.
Winston Churchill is right. Mr. Jones spent $30 on gasoline every 3 weeks. How much did he spend on gasoline in 36 weeks?
$390.
Incorrect. Which type of telescope has lenses that collect and focus light by bending it?
Refracting.
That is correct. Name the South Asian country in which the majority of the population belong to the Hindu religion.
India.
India is right. Which amendment to the U.S. Constitution prohibits slavery?
14th.
Incorrect. What is the name of the author whose works include When the Frost is on the Pumpkin?
Pass.
What is the name of the 20th century songwriter who composed the following lyrics? This land is your land, this land is my land, from California to the New York Island.
Pass.
Another math question. Find the value. Okay. We're out of time there. Woody Guthrie wrote that popular folk song. The Federal Reserve Bank those banks receive deposits from the U.S. Treasury. Walt Whitman wrote, My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. The square root of 961 is 31. $360 would have been spent on gasoline in those 36 weeks. The 13th Amendment prohibits slavery. And James Whitcomb Riley has the work that includes When the Frost is on the Pumpkin. Good round, though, for Devil's Lake. Lots more points added to the board. Now we turn to Maple Valley.